The mirror is old. The girl sees her face. Then she sees another face. Hello. Today we have a short and easy story for your A1 English level. It is called The Ghost in the Mirror. We will practice simple verbs and the present simple tense. A girl lives in a new apartment. Her name is Lena. Lena wants to decorate her room. She wants a big mirror. Lena goes to an old shop. The shop is small and dark. It is full of old things, chairs, books, and lamps. Lena walks slowly. She sees a big mirror. The mirror is very old and heavy. The wood frame is dark brown and dusty. Lena likes the dark look. She thinks, this is perfect for my wall. The shopman is nice. Lena buys the mirror. She pays him money. A kind taxi driver helps her take the heavy mirror home. Lena puts the mirror on the wall. The mirror looks beautiful in her clean white room. It is late evening. Lena is in her room. She is tired because the day was long. She wants to read a book, but first she looks at the mirror. She sees her young, happy face. Lena smiles at her reflection. Then Lena sees a strange change. The glass is becoming cloudy and gray. Lena stops smiling. She steps closer to the mirror. She sees another face. The other face is not Lena's face. It is the face of a very old woman. The woman's eyes are large and sad. Her hair is white. The sad face looks directly at Lena. Lena is very scared now. Her heart beats fast. She wants to run, but her feet do not move. The old woman's face stays in the mirror. It does not move. It does not speak. It just looks at Lena with sad, quiet eyes. The room feels cold. Lena finally runs to her bed. She pulls the thick, warm blanket over her head. She closes her eyes tight and whispers, "Go away! Go away from my room!" She waits for a long time. The room is quiet again. The cold is gone. Lena slowly opens her eyes. She looks at the mirror again. The old woman's face is gone. Lena sees only her own face now, but her face is pale, white. Lena thinks, I must sell this mirror. I must do it today. The next morning, Lena takes the mirror down from the wall. She covers it completely with an old white sheet. She does not look at the glass again. She does not want to see the sad face again. Lena sells the mirror to a man. The man is happy because the mirror is old and beautiful. Lena is happy too, but she feels relief. But sometimes, when Lena looks at her window glass at night, she sees a small, quick shadow that looks like white hair. She knows the ghost is still near. She will not buy an old mirror again. Thank you for reading the story. It was short, but it helped us practice simple words and the present simple tense. Here are some new words from our story: mirror, shop, frame, scared, blanket, pale, shadow. Today we focused on the present simple, actions and facts. Lena wants a mirror. The face looks at Lena. The room feels cold. Try to describe a piece of furniture in your house, a chair, a table, a lamp, using the present simple. If you want more easy stories for A1 English, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend. We will see you next time. And remember, always check the reflection.